Hi guys, so today we're going to teach you how to tie-dye a t-shirt, and right here we have all the materials that you're going to need to tie-dye. First you're going to get a plain white t-shirt like we have here, and then you're going to get some form of dye. It doesn't really matter what color, you can have a bunch of colors or just one. We just have blue today. And so we've got our material of our t-shirt, our dye, and then you're going to want to have a bucket to dip your t-shirt into. So we're just adding water to the dye to make it actually dye. So first you're going to pinch the middle of the shirt like she's doing here, and then you're going to twist the entire shirt around so it's making sort of like a spiral.
And then once you have the spiral, you're going to put a rubber band around the shirt to hold it together, and then you're going to add several other rubber bands to make the pattern.
So you can do as many rubber bands as you want. The more rubber bands you have, the more white lines you're going to have in the shirt. So it's really up to personal preference.
One more. Yay, Okay, so once your shirt's all rolled up and the rubber bands are attached, you just apply the dye through the little squirt tube or however else you'd like to do so. And you may put on as much or as little dye as you'd like. The more dye you put on, the bluer the shirt will be, the less dye, the more white lines you'll have.
And you really want to make sure that you get down into the creases if you want like a really colorful shirt, because if you don't, it'll be a lot more white.
So once you're done dyeing the t-shirt, you're going to want to leave it rolled up like this with the rubber bands on and let it sit for 24 hours. 24 hours later, we're now ready to see our finished product.
So you're just going to want to take off all the rubber bands so you can see the spiral. And there we have our finished product of the tie-dye t-shirt.
Alrighty, for the first time that you wash your tie-dye shirt, it's a little bit different of a procedure. You want to rinse it in cold water first, and then you will put it in the washing machine by itself. Don't put any other clothes in there because the dye will kind of come off and ruin all your other clothes. And then after that, you can wash it within a regular load a couple weeks down the road.